Hi boys and girls, today we will be drawing in 1-point perspective, buildings from a worm's eye view. We are going to need a bowl, a ruler, a pencil, and a Sharpie for today. Get that and your paper ready. To start, you will place the bowl in the middle of your paper. You will hold it down and trace a circle around your bowl. Next, you will grab your ruler. You will divide your circle into 4 equal parts, starting by dividing it in half. Turn your paper, use your helper hand to push down, and then divide it in half again, which gives you 4 spaces. Now we're going to make 12, so we need to divide each of those sections into 3 equal parts. Make a small diagonal line, or an X, within 2 of the sections that are diagonal from one another. Be careful to go through that center spot. That is your vanishing point. So now you have 6 more sections added, 3 and 3. Now we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Make a little tiny pizza slice, not halfway through. We're making it into thirds. And slice, and then turn the ruler, and same thing, divide it into thirds. Once you've completed that, you should have 12 sections. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that we have our 12 sections, we are going to chop off the top of the buildings. We will take our ruler and draw a line between 2 sides of the pizza slice, sort of cutting off the tip of the pizza slice. This will become the top of the buildings later. You can just do a straight line from one section to another, or you can get a little fancy and add spikes. Any line going vertical or moving up needs to connect to that vanishing point or that center spot in the middle of your circle. Keep using your rulers, friends. We're not freehanding here. We're going to do this for every single building across our page with some variety, having the buildings end at different heights. You can make your building get narrower at the top by stacking, but again, any line moving up or vertically towards the center needs to connect to that vanishing point. You could add those spires or those spikes on the top of the building that keep planes from bumping into the building, but those too need to connect to the vanishing point. Now we are going to really erase our extra lines in the middle. So those lines are the ones that are above where you cut that pizza slice from. Anything close to the dot in the middle gets erased. That is not part of your building. Once those are erased, it will be much clearer to see what is your building and what is the sky. Do your best to erase every bit of it. Once that's complete, you can Sharpie your buildings so that they stand out. Again, continue to use your ruler because this project is all about straight lines. Nothing should be wobbly or free-handed. Continuing to connect to that vanishing point in the center and always, always using that ruler. Spin your paper so your hand doesn't have to spin in an awkward position, moving around in a circle as you go.